Yeah, breakfast settings. Wow. Marigo tea. Ah, a boiled egg. Mm-hmm. Mm. That's my breakfast of the day. Mm-hmm. Marigo tea. Mm-hmm. Boiled egg. Mm-hmm. Marigo tea. Go over like a like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. The best thing of the day is you eat breakfast. You don't have to eat lunch, but eat breakfast. If you don't, then you know you're gonna have dinner. But when you wash off the stomach with liquor, tea, any tea, but I'm choosing Marigo tea this morning. My favorite tea is coffee, chocolate, but I'm changing. You can change too. But whether go subscribe, like, share, I'm out.